Hello, dear customer. This is Christine from QLQ company. Today, I would like to share you our automatic plastic injection machine. For this machine, the output is about 13 to 16 mol per minute. And the machine size, you can see this is a whole view of the machine. The length is about 3.1 meter, and the width is about 0.7 meter, and the height is about 2.4 meter. And this machine is without mold. You need to order another set mold. And this machine have already installed the teeth injection mold here. This mold is number 5. If you want to produce number 8 zipper, you need to change the mold to number 8 injection mold and change this clip half and this cutter. Okay, now let me show you how to start the machine. Okay, the first step is turn on the switch and then open the motor and charge. And injection and charge again and injection and charge again. Okay, and take out the weight material. Okay, and then nozzle in and close the mold. And then press the auto button and start the machine. Okay, now the machine working. The zipper tape will go through the wheel, and then the tip will injection here. And then let's check the result. Okay. Now the long chain, plastic long chain has finished. Okay. And then when you want stop the machine, put this button and then turn off the power switch.